ċabċib tanni u diversi emozzjonijiet laqgħu il-partiċipanti tal-Life Cycle Challenge kif waslu lura fl-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta wara li temmew il-Foster Clarks Cycle Challenge. Avventura fuq ir-roti li qasmet l-Afrika fuq rotta ta' madwar 2000 km f'għaxar ijiem fl-eqqel xhur tas-sajf. Il-kontinent joffri rotta diffiċli iżda l-parteċipanti setgħu jammiraw il-pajsaġġ eżotiku u n-natura mill-isbaħ li sawwar dawn il-pajjiżi, kif jispjega l-fundatur ta' din l-isfida Alan Curry.
We started in Nairobi and we went down from Nairobi right away down to Arusha, which is around Kilimanjaro, and then we went down through the Maasai Steppes, Dodoma, which is the political capital, and then across to the historical capital, Dar es Salaam. And we finished just north of Dar es Salaam in a place called Bagamoyo Beach. And we went into the shanty town at the end, and there was a huge fanfare took place with drums and dancing girls and everything. It was great. But yeah, it was hard. It was a hard trip, and loads and loads of stories with lions, elephants, and it was amazing. Honestly, it was.
Dan kollu ban nobli biex tqajjem kuxjenza u tiġġenera appoġġ għal pazjenti li sofru mill-mar tal-klieb.
Doing this for be 20 years next year, and we're the only ones that do it for the renal unit. And we were the kind of the pioneers of this type of event. And what we always try to do is try to do a diverse and challenging route, and we want to push boundaries out and make it as difficult as possible to show that we are willing to go that extra yard for the patients who are suffering on a daily basis. I think we did that this year.
Iżda meta wieħed ikun qed jagħmel sfida bħal din fejn il-partiċipanti għattaw sa xar sigħat kuljum fuq ir-rota, it-tbatija ma tonqos. Kollox jista' jmur ħażin. Mit-12 il-parteċipant li imbarkaw fuq din ir-rotta kienu biss 8 li rnexxielhom itemmu din l-isfida. Sansitra sofrew ġrieħi ħfief kif spjegalna Shirley Ċefaj, ċiklista u chairperson ta' Life Cycle.
Ma kienet challenge sabiħa ħafna, it-terrejn kien varjat, kienet diffiċli, kellna ġranet ta' 180, kien ikollna xi minn 60 km off-road. Imma 8 minna spiċċajnija jiena waqaft kif qed ngħidlek għax waqajt darbtejn u optjajt li ma rridx fuq l-off-road nerġa'.
Ovvjament il-preparamenti jibdew minn ħafna kmieni, sewa sew 14 il-ġimgħa qabel ma jibdew l-isfida, kif spjega Gary Camilleri.
Fuq ir-rota konna il-ġim fuq l-indoor bike, nitrenjaw l-ewwel 1 hour for 4 days, imbagħad ovvjament dejjem iżżid, niltaqgħu bħala grupp nhar ta' ħadd, noħorġu Sunday ride, imbagħad dejjem iżżid iżjed kif tasal ripal għaċ-challenge itself.
U issa li din l-isfida lesta diġà jibda d-diskors fuq li jmiss. Min jaf fejn se tkun ir-rotta.